Good morning students. Today we are here with chapter PowerPoint Presentation 2010 Part 2. In previous video we learned that what is PowerPoint and why we will use PowerPoint. I hope you remember. PowerPoint is a software which is used to make presentation. And we also learned that how to open PowerPoint. So today we will learn adding new slide. Here slide means a single page. Suppose students, you have completed your presentation in PowerPoint and after completing your presentation you thought to add a new page, means a new slide to your presentation. Then how you can add that page? I will show you how to add. For adding a slide, first you have to open your presentation. I have already opened my presentation here. After open it, you have to right click in the navigation pane under any existing slide and click on the new slide option. See here, this is our presentation and this is our navigation pane. In this side, after this slide, here you can see it is written no title where I have kept my mouse. After this slide, I want to add a new page. So you have to keep your cursor here, then right click one time. And you can see here one option is there, that is new slide. You have to go to that option, that new slide, and click there. You can see a new blank page is open. Go to that previous page. Then to change the slide layout, right click on the newly inserted slide and go to the layout. First if you want to change the layout, you have to go to that newly slide, then click again right, and afterwards layout is there. So many layouts are there. Whatever you want according to your convenience, you can choose from here. I choose this option, picture with caption. Click here. You can see this layout come here. Students, I hope you understand how to add new slide or new page in your presentation. Afterwards, inserting different objects. It means how we can insert different objects like any object. We can insert objects with the help of clip art, word art, and if you want to insert shapes, you can insert shapes also with the help of inserting. First, I will show you how we can insert image with clip art. Student, this is our home tab. You have to click in this insert option. Click here. You can see clip art is there. Click there. And when you will click in this clip art, this box will open. Whatever you want to search, just type here. I want image of tiger. So I am going to type here tiger. You can see I have typed here tiger. Then after typing the tiger, click on go. You can see image of tiger is in here. Then click on this tiger. You can see this tiger will come. You can set the size according to yourself. You can rotate also. Students, you can see with the help of click part, we have inserted image of tiger. Now I will show you how to use word art. Word art is also available in insert. You have to go to this insert option. Then where you want that word art, first you have to keep your cursor there. I want word art in this page, so I will click here. Then go to this word art. Choose anyone, whatever you want. And write. I have written computer. If you want to change the color of this computer, you can change here. Colors are there. You can see the color of the computer is changed. After this, I will show you how to insert shape in PowerPoint. Just see here. Go to this insert option. Then shape option is there. Click here. Whatever shape you want to, you can click from here. You can see the shape is inserted. You want to change the color, then again right click on this shape. I have right click. You can see this box will come. Then choose a color from here. You can see here the color of the page is changed. Students, if you want to change the color of the shape, means this smiley face, first you have to select the face. Then go to this format option. Click here this format tab. Then here fill shape is there. Click on this and choose the color according to you. I have chosen yellow color. You can see here the color is changed. Now again I am going to repeat. Next time I am going to change the color in blue. This is light blue. I have chosen this. Now you can see the color of the shape is changed. Next is deleting slide. Suppose students, you want to delete the slide. It's very simple to delete the slide. First right click on the normal view. Now this is our normal view. Then right click on the slide to be deleted and select the delete option. Suppose students, you want to delete this slide. Okay, click on this slide, then right click here. Then you can see here delete slide is there. click on this. You can see the slide is deleted now. After deleting the slide, running slide show in PowerPoint. Students, it's very simple to run slideshow in PowerPoint. Just I'm going to show you how to see the slideshow. We have one option here, that is slideshow. Click on this slideshow and click here from beginning. Then your slideshow will start. Then there is a shortcut key of view the slideshow. That shortcut key is F5. I am going to press that F5 from the keyboard. Now you can see this is our presentation. What we have done from the starting in this PowerPoint lesson. Just you have to click from your mouse, then your page will change. You can see here, this is our presentation. Students, I hope you understand this video. Thank you and have a nice day.